Yo guys, check out what I just got in. YitaMotor's truck bed tonneau cover for my buddy Derek Baker's Ram 1500. Let's take a look at the destructions here and get her put on. Everything has been pretty self-explanatory up to this point. Tell him, Derek.
Yeah, pull this up, loosen this screw a little bit, pull it out, and then slide the rail onto that clip.
There you go.
And then tighten that screw with the Allen wrench.
Here's the clamps going on right now, guys. All you do is twist this. We got a foam pad, came with the kit so you don't scratch your paint, and you can see it locks in to the rail like that. All right, so that was like a 25-minute install for two guys that didn't know what they were doing. Comes with a little stick-on light, closes up. Check out the seal. Seals up really good here. What do you think, Derek?
I like it.
This is a birthday present. Here's this, guys. We pull this. Then you got a little pull down right here, unlocks it. And then you just roll it up.